So this is problem number 9. Let me go with this. Right. What is the sum of 3 by 4, 7 by 6 and 1 3 by 5? Right. They have given 4 options. Right. So we need to find this is 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus 1 3 by 5. The first step is what? So you always convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction. So let me first convert that 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus what? How you need to convert? So multiply this and add this. The product you need to add. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8 by 5. Now you need to add. If the denominator is different, what you need to do? You need to take a LCM before adding. Take LCM of the denominator, that is 4 6 5. Take LCM, that is 4 6 and 5. Right. Let me start dividing by 2. So 2 2s are 2 3s are and 5. So now you can't divide here. So these are all co-prime factors. So now multiply this. The LCM of 4 6 5 is going to be what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 15 2s are, right, how much? 30 32s are 60. 60 is going to be the LCM. Right. 60. Now what we need to do now? So you need to divide 60 by 4. That is 60 by 4 means what? 15. Right? 4. Right? 60 divided by 4. That is going to be 15. That into 3 multiplied with the numerator plus 6. 60 divided by 6. That is going to be 10. 10 into 7 plus, right, 5. So 60 divided by 5, that is 12. 12 into 8. Now multiply it here. 15 3s are 45 plus 10 7s are 70 plus 12 8s are 96 by 60. Now add it here. 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 5 11, right, 1 1 carry, right, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 4 21, right, by 60. Right, this is what the answer is, but we need to check out because they have given in terms of mixed fraction. Let me convert this improper fraction to improper to mixed. How you are going to do? That is going to be Q R by D. Right, now divide 211 by 60. 63 is, right, 180. Right, 1, right, 21 minus 8 is going to be 3. So 31. So this is going to be the quotient and this is remainder and this is divisor. Right. So you have to place in this way. Quotient is going to be 3. Right. Remainder is 31 and divisor is 60. So the answer is going to be 331 by 60. So your option B is the right one.